Revelation, January 6, 2012. Heard in a vision a word with the pronunciation of papage or papagi. The closest words refers to peoples and weather patterns, from southward in the USA to northern South USA. Interpretation: Northern South America will experience major elemental disasters shortly. This will automatically involve Mexico. It will include storm force winds as well as quakes, but only. April 9th, 2012, the Lord reveals that about the middle of April 2012, shortly before or shortly thereafter, is included in the initiation of a major prophetic fulfillment upon the earth. Fulfillment April 11th, 2012. A strong 7.0 earthquake rocked Mexico today. The strong trembler caused tall buildings to sway more than 200 miles away in Mexico City. All this while two powerful quakes rocked Indonesia, sending those north of the Indian Ocean fleeing to higher grounds in fear of a tsunami.